Well, howdy folks, and welcome back to the shop. We're thrilled to have you join us today. There's nothing quite like the smell of sawdust in the morning, wouldn't you agree? It's the scent of creativity and craftsmanship. Today we're talking about turning your passion for woodworking into a way to put a little extra jingle in your pocket. Imagine making money doing what you love. That's right, we're diving headfirst into 50 easy handmade woodworking projects that are perfect for selling. These projects are not only fun but also profitable. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. From beginners to experts, there's a project here for you. We'll cover everything from simple coasters, which are great for beginners, to more advanced pieces like coffee tables, perfect for those looking to challenge themselves. So grab your safety glasses, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. These coasters are simple, stylish, and perfect for beginners. Keep your entryway organized with a charming handmade key holder. These elegant candle holders add a touch of sophistication to any room. Chapter 4. Maximize space and add a modern touch with these easy-to-make shelves. Using reclaimed wood, a good stain, and sturdy mounting brackets, you can create a beautiful and functional addition to any room. Chapter 5. Capture memories in style with these handcrafted photo frames, perfect for any home or office setting. With the right wood carving tools, you can create intricate designs and patterns. Add some rope for a rustic touch, giving your frames a charming vintage feel. And a few metallic accents can add a modern twist to your creations, making photo frames that are truly unique and personalized to your taste. Chapter 6. Bring the outdoors in with these charming planter boxes. Using pallet wood, filling them with soil, and planting some succulents, you can create a little green oasis inside your home. Chapter 7. Combine functionality and style with a rustic wine rack. Chapter 8. Add a touch of elegance to your next gathering with these beautiful trays. Chapter 9. Let your creativity shine with these unique and fun bookends. Chapter 10. Decorative wooden signs. Add a personal touch to your home with custom-made signs. Chapter 11. Statement wooden headboards. Create a focal point in your bedroom with a stunning headboard. Chapter 12. Birdhouses for feathered friends. Invite nature into your backyard with these colorful birdhouses. Chapter 13. Tell time in style with a handcrafted wooden clock. Chapter 14. Transform your walls into works of art with these decorative panels. Chapter 15. Keep your jewelry organized and tangle-free with these handy organizers. Chapter 16. Custom wooden coffee tables. Design and build a coffee table that reflects your personal style. Whether it's the table legs or the finishes, every detail counts. Chapter 17. Outdoor benches. Enjoy the outdoors in comfort with these durable benches. Using weatherproof wood and optional cushions, you can create a cozy outdoor space. Chapter 18. Wooden room dividers. Define spaces in style with these elegant room dividers. Featuring a foldable design and intricate carved details, they are both functional and beautiful. Chapter 19. Illuminate your home with these warm and inviting lamps. Chapter 20. Spark imagination with handcrafted wooden toys. Chapter 21. These handy stools are perfect for reaching high shelves. Chapter 22. Toy storage boxes. Keep toys organized and out of sight with these functional boxes. Chapter 23. Tablet stands. Enjoy hands-free viewing with these convenient tablet stands. Chapter 24. Chopping boards. These stylish chopping boards are a must-have for any kitchen. Chapter 25. Pen holders. Keep your desk tidy with these practical pen holders. Chapter 26, Mini Shelves. Add storage and style with these charming mini shelves. Chapter 27, Wooden Lanterns. Create a cozy ambiance with these rustic lanterns. Chapter 28, Garden Trellises. Support your climbing plants with these decorative trellises. Chapter 29, Rustic Mirrors. Add a touch of vintage charm with these rustic mirrors. Chapter 30, Wooden Utensils. Elevate your culinary experience with hand-carved utensils. Outro. That's a wrap. Well, there you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of woodworking. 50 woodworking projects that are just begging to be made. Each one is a testament to creativity and craftsmanship. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity run wild. Woodworking is as much about the process as it is about the final product. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on these ideas and make them your own. Personal touches are what make each piece unique. And who knows, you might even turn your passion into a thriving little side hustle. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for stopping by the shop, and until next time, happy woodworking. Keep creating and keep inspiring others with your work.